Hey y'all, how y'all doing? This Kevin from Pickin in the Hood 2. Yeah. Hey, we got another challenge from Derek. You know, he said that his place is Carl Jr.'s. I don't know what the hell Carl Jr. is. Will somebody name or somebody buy it? Hardee'S? Because it's Hardee'S where we live. You know. Anyway, he said that they got the best strawberry shakes. So we finna taste one. You know what I'm saying? We finna put his taste buds to the test. Yeah, hold on a minute. Let me pull up in here and order this food. Order this strawberry shake, and we get ready to see what's going on. What's going down with this shake? I don't know who the hell Carl Jr. Y'all email me or text me to tell me who in the hell Carl Jr. is. What the hell? It's Hardee'S. Carl Jr. What the hell? Name a restaurant after somebody. You know. Hold on, let me place my order. Hold on a minute. No, thank you. Can I get a strawberry shake, please?
Anything else?
That's all.
436 before we take it.
All right, thank you. Yeah, we're finna see what's going down with this shake. That dude was making all kind of faces. He was like, delicious. We getting ready to see. The big dog get ready to taste it. That's how we judge it. We judge how I feel when I taste it. Yeah, let me see what's going down. I don't know whether to pay with cash or to pay with debit. I'm gonna pay with debit. This lady gave me some cash this weekend when I worked on the house. And actually it wasn't this weekend. I had to work at Home Depot this weekend. But we get ready to see. When people give me cash, I try to keep it because I don't like green passing hands. You know what I'm saying? There's something about green going into your hands and mine, or my hands to yours, that psychologically mess me up. But I could pass this card all day. But it's something about green, I don't know. One time I had $100 in my wallet for 2 weeks. But I didn't feel like going to the bank. Only reason I spent it because I didn't feel like going to the bank and I had to pay this guy to work with me. So he worked with me one day, cleared the fence line. What the hell? Anyway, y'all, I don't know why they taking so long. I'm just saying. Maybe this is Carl Jr. party. I don't know. I don't eat at Hardee'S that much. Or Carl Jr., whatever y'all call it. I'm finna ask this lady right here. Hold on. How you doing, young lady? Hey, why is it called Carl Jr. in other places?
Because it was like two different people.
Oh, it was two different people?
But they the same.
So there's like the Twix brothers, you know, like the Twix commercial.
Yeah.
I don't know what's going on. All I know is it's Hardee'S. Carl Jr. sound on. It is? Oh, they shakes different?
Shakes, I don't know. I've never.
Yeah, it's one of my friends live in California, and he was talking about how good the shakes are. So I'm making a video testing to see how. Let me test it. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
It ain't because you judge it. Let me judge it.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? All right, young lady, you too. Bye. Yeah, she said it was two people. I don't believe that. I believe Derek just made that name up. I don't believe it's no Carl Jr.'s. But we get ready to taste this. I know it's Carl Jr. I'm just playing. But yeah, hold on a minute. Let me see how delicious this is. Y'all see it? It's got whipped cream on it. Yeah, it looked pretty good. But we get ready to taste it. Woo! It tastes pretty good. I don't know about it being the world's best. It tastes pretty good. I give it a thumbs up. All right, D. Yeah, you won again, big dog. But I'm gonna bring my favorite shake to the forefront. But it's gonna have to be a place that you got it there where you live. You know what I mean? Anyway, y'all, this shake's pretty good. It costs too much though, $4 or something. And that sucks, cause I'm cheap. Anyway, y'all, this Kevin for Pickin in the Hood too. Yeah. Hey, y'all. Excuse me. Y'all subscribe, like, whatever. You know, keep on watching my videos. You know, I ain't trying to get monetized or nothing like that. I just like to put out good content where people can learn stuff and people can laugh. You know what I mean? So that's what I'm all about. Anyway, y'all, this is Kevin from St. Louis, Pickin in the Hood too. Peace.